morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Um, Today, or it looks like I'm only going to trade one stock. A lot of, there was some good press releases this morning for these stocks, and some stocks are moving, but I really only had one play. Um, you can see here it was MTBC. I made 65 bucks, which is like the best I've done so far. But I bought it at 412 and got it at 425. So make this a little bigger. So if I take these lines off, um, so basically, I bought this right after the open. So as you can see right here, 9:30 is when it opens up, and the highest of the pre-market was like 410, about there. And as you can see, my green arrow is right here. That's where my buying was. So I bought 2 cents above 412. And then you see this wick from this candle. You zoomed in. So you see, it ran up pretty good. It ran up 13 cents before I sold it, but it was doing a lot of kind of the time of sales was absorbing a lot, like at 425. So I was seeing like 425 to 425 just constantly on here. So it wasn't kind of moving past it. So I sold it. As you can see, it went up a little bit above, like I think it topped into 10 cents, but and then it kind of shot back down and closed out a lot lower. So I made a decent little profit on that. But this our MTBC had a press release around like 9 o'clock. So like right before like pre market opened or the stock market opened up and stuff. So I was really moving it. And for the finally for like the first time, I didn't play the stock twice. I keep talking about like stop playing stocks or trying to play the same stock multiple times because usually it doesn't work out. And of course, when I do that, like this stock like broke out a bunch of times, and I was even calling it too because I was looking at this one at 435, and I'm like, when this hits 435, for sure it's gonna break out. Like this will be the next level, and then it did, but this it's like doji star looking kind of candle right here happened, so like it made me hesitant. But after that, like you could see, it came, it broke out again, it kept going up, and then it had a little bit of a pullback, and then it jumped up really sharp, and then it kind of topped out around the 544. So I could have had one hell of a run if I would have bought it at 9:30 and sold at like 9:40. Like in 10 minutes, I could have ran up, pretty big, almost like a full dollar or a full dollar, yeah. But again, I'm impatient, so I bought and sold really fast. But it was a big move. Like I said, I've never had much more of than a 10-cent move. I've always been very hesitant, very cautious. So I'm glad this one worked out the way it did. But I'm also glad that I don't keep playing the same stock over and over. Like I got to break that habit. There are times like this when it could have worked out, but even then, this breakout right here, like I definitely probably would have sold it because it came down to 416. So it's really close to my buy-in where I bought in at 412. So I might have been scared out of it, but I mean I might have held it too. Who knows? But watching watching the candles break out in a minute, especially when a stock like MTBC's got a lot of hype. The total volume for it's like in 18 million, so I mean it's really moving. But anyways, that's all I really got. Again, I'm just gonna keep trying to make these videos just to show people, like, kind of like just walk through what I did, and talk about like mistakes and something I can do to improve, and hopefully everyone else can benefit from that. Anyways, like I said, that's all I'm gonna do today. I usually trade only like an hour or two in the morning, and that's it. So hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, and good luck with the trading.